build confidence, social skills, and a love of learning. Get ready for school and for life. That's what a great start can do for your child, and why a quality childcare or preschool is so important. Great Start to Quality is the one place to find the right place for your child. We provide tools to help you find the best care options for your family. Use our search feature to locate licensed childcare near your home or work. Learn what to look for in a program and how to spot quality with our guidelines on health, safety, and other measures. Great Start to Quality also offers a way to easily compare programs, help you find personal assistance at a local resource center, and see if you're eligible to receive financial support. 90% of brain development happens by age 5, and children need an engaging and caring environment to make those first few years really count. A quality early learning experience can make a big difference in getting your child ready for success in school and in life. For high-quality childcare that meets your family's needs, start your search at greatstarttoquality.org. It's the one place to find the right place for your childcare and preschool. Great Start to Quality, supporting excellence in early education.